Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20A, question number 3rd. The question says the lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5. Find the area of the triangle if the perimeter is 144 centimeter. What is given is the sides are given in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5. That means these are the ratios of the sides. They are not the real side. But when we multiply each term of the ratio with the same constant, we get the real side. So side 1 will become 3x, 3 multiplied by a constant. Side 2 will become 4x, 4 multiplied by the same constant. And side 3 will become 5x. So these are now the real sides of the triangle. Now what is given? Perimeter is given. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides. That means 144 is equal to 3x plus 4x plus 5x, because these are now the real sides. We cannot add 3 plus 4 plus 5 because they are the ratios, but 3x, 4x and 5x are the real sides. So now we will add these variables now together. 3x plus 4x plus 5x becomes 12x. So 12x is equal to 144. So x is 144 divided by 12, that is x value comes out to be 12. Now we will get the real sides. So side 1 will become 3 into 12, 3x. x की जगह पे we will write 12. 12 3s are 36. So side 2 will become 4 into 12. 12 4s are 48. Same way side 3 will become 5 into 12, that is 60. So these are given, the perimeter was in centimeter, so these will become centimeter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area. We know as the sides are different, this is a scalene triangle. So area of a scalene triangle is S root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Fine. So what is S? S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. Perimeter is half. Perimeter. And A, B, C are the three sides respectively. Are the three sides. So here A is 36, B is 48 and C is 60. Now what we will do? We will find the area, and S is half of the perimeter, that is 144 is the perimeter, divided by 2 becomes 72. Now we will put the values in this formula. S is 72. S minus A is that is 72 minus 36. Then 72 minus 48. And then 72 minus 60. Now we'll put down the values. 72. 70. This means multiply. 72 minus 36 becomes 36. Multiply. 72 minus 48 becomes 24. And 72 minus 60 becomes 12. Now when we see this, what we can see that 24 comes in 12 table and 72 comes in 36 table. So no need to multiply everything. We need to find the square root. We can either factorize it to the basic thing Or what we can do is, we should write 72 as 36 into 2. And then 36, this 36, 24 can be written as 12 into 2 and this as 12. Now we can see that under the square root we have 36 into 36. So we'll get the pairs together. 36 into 36 into 2 into 2, this 2 and this 2, into 12 into 12, right? And we know when we are finding the square root of any number, suppose you're finding the square root of 4, what we write 2 into 2, as 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 2 becomes the square root. We take out of pair, we take one number. Same way to find the square root of this big number, now we will take out of the pairs, we will take one number each. So we will take 136, out of these two we'll take 1 2, and out of these two 12 we'll take 112. Why we do so? Because here, what does this mean? 2 root 2 into root 2. This means this has a power of, root means power of half, and square means, suppose this is root 4. Root 4 can be written as 2 square raised to the power half. 2 and 2 cancel. Fine. So that's the reason we take only one number out of it. So 36 into 2 into 12 becomes 864. This is the area, so it becomes centimeter square. Fine. Thank you.